Let us now discuss how can we solve this question. Number of substrings containing all three characters. We are given with a string which contains only characters A, B and C. Now, return the number of substrings containing at least one occurrence of all these characters A, B, C. So, let us go through the first example which are given to us. Now, if I need three characters which are A, B and C. So, what will be the first thing which I need to do? I need to take exactly three characters first. This is the first most important point, that I need to take the first three characters. Now, let me take this first three characters, and it there at this point I have A, B and C. So my answer count will be 0 initially, and then it will be incremented by 1. Now let me go and let me take this fixed window size of 3. Now I'm incrementing, that means left and right pointers are incremented. Here also I got A, B and C. So I will increment my count to 2. Now next thing, I increment here. Wait a second. I increment here or slide my window. Then I'll get A, B and C. Sorry. Then I'll get A, B and C again. So at this point also I got another substring which is having A, B and C. So let me increment my count of answer to 3. Now I am incrementing again, then I got A, B, C again. So here I got the answer of 4. That's it. But they gave the answer something like 10 here. 10 here. But what are other 6 which are missing? So let me take the first substring which is having A, B and C. Now let me take the first substring which is having A, B and C. Here, whether this is a substring, that I know, but is this a substring also? Yes, absolutely yes. Because from here till here, you get another substring, right? And here also you get another substring. Because why? Because we only need A, B, and C. And we got that in the first substring 0, 1, 0 to 2. So that's why all the characters after that, if I push back, first thing I got this, and the second thing this character, if I add this, then I'll get another substring. If I add this, then I'll get another substring. If I add this character, then I'll get another substring. So the first substring is, let me change the color. The first substring is A, B, C, and the second substring is A, B, C, A, and the third substring is A, B, C, A, B, and the fourth substring is A, B, C, A, B, C. So these are the number of substrings which I get only when I get the first substring ABC. But let me take all this away and let me consider only 4. Till now I got only 4 right. Now then I'll go to the next substring. But wait, here I have another substring which is having occurrences as A, B, C are occurrences. But if you see, this substring is already took here, and even though this substring A, B, C, A, B is already took, and this substring is also already took. Now, whenever I get a substring of having 3 characters, exactly 3 characters A, B, C, then I'll do one thing. I'll increment my left pointer. So whenever I get these equal, so the frequency of characters as equal, then I'll increment my left pointer. But when I don't get, imagine I only got something like here, wait a second, I only got something like these two. Now I only have B and I only have C, but I also want A, right? That's why I increment my right pointer. But whenever I get three characters, then I'll increment my left pointer. And then now I didn't get any three characters. I didn't get B, so I increment my right pointer. That's how this algorithm works. Let me write the first thing. First, I need to go from right with right till n. So at the last, right pointer will be incremented. So this is the outer loop. Now imagine I got it here. Now imagine something like I have, yeah, here. Imagine something like this. AAACB. First thing, let me take all this. Till now I only got A. So I increment my right pointer as I said. Till now I only got C. Then I increment my right pointer. Because I don't have B, right? So incrementing right pointer will give me A, B, C. So at this point, when I got the frequency map size, this is the size which is equal to 3. Then I'll take n minus r. Why n minus r? If you see, when I get A, B, C initially, I took something like this is one substring, this is one substring, this is one substring, this is another substring. So if I take the size of S, it will be something like 6. Now the right pointer is at 0, 1, 2. So 6 minus 2 will give me 4 substrings. This is one substring, this is one substring, this is the third, this is the fourth substring. So that's why I'll take n minus r whenever I get equal the MP size or the frequency map size equal to 3. Now n minus r will be added to my answer. Now what I need to do now? First thing, I got till now, right? I got till now, till here I got. But I also have this AACB which is having frequency of A, frequency of B, and frequency of C. So at this point, when I have equal to 3, MP dot size is equal to 3, then I need to increment my left pointer. So that's why while while MP dot size is equal to 3, then I need to increment my left pointer. But before that I need to add n minus r to my answer. So let me do that. n minus r and before that, before incrementing my left pointer, this imagine I am having something like this one. Now before incrementing my left pointer, this frequency should be decremented. The frequency of A should be decremented because this is the frequency, like A will be 2 and B will be 1 and C will also be 1. But after incrementing my left pointer, it will become something like this and the A should be 1. So that's why MP of S of L should be decremented, right? Now after that, imagine something like here I only have A, B, C. A, B, C. Now hypothetically I am incrementing my left pointer here. Now A is having 1 and B is also having 1, C is also having 1. But when I increment my left pointer, it will become BC, and A will have 0 as the frequency count. When any any character's frequency is 0, then in an unordered map we need to erase it. If MP of L, MP of S of L is equal to 0, then MP dot erase erase S of L. So this is how you solve this problem, and after this after this I need to increment my left pointer, and also don't forget to add MP of S of R plus plus. Increment S of R frequency in MP. So this is how the algorithm works, and this is the example, and also this is how we are adding answer n minus R to our answer. Now this is the code, and if you want the code, and it is in the link, it is the link is in the description. Go and check it, and if you like this video, do share it to friends and do subscribe to my channel, and quickly let us understand how this code works. Left and right pointers are initialized to 0 and 1 respectively. The returning answer is initialized to 0, and n is the size of the string. Now we are initializing an unordered map named MP. MP of S of L is incremented, but why we are incrementing R, which is at 1? So it will be incremented at here, this point, MP of S of R plus plus. And as I said, R will be going till n. And whenever I get MP dot size is equal to 3, answer will be incremented by n minus R. As in the same as the algorithm, I wrote the same MP of S of L minus minus, and if it is 0, MP of S of L is equal to 0, then erase that S of L and then increment left pointer, and after this loop I'll increment my right pointer, and after at the end I'll return answer. So I hope you like this video, and if you have any doubts, please don't hesitate to comment in the comment section. Thank you.